Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Here's a rare find. Lots of 69 Camaros out there. This one is super honest. You just get the impression it's always a well cared for, honest, legitimate car. It has no rear spoiler on it. How many Camaros don't have a spoiler slapped on it by now? They kept this one original. Anyway, it's a 396, 3 1/4 horse, all number matching, factory frost green, has frame off restoration. The underneath is detailed like a show car. It's beautiful. Automatic, 12-bolt rear end. I said chambered exhaust, reproduction tires, so it's got some cool stuff. Fold down back seat. You can go to volocars.com, and as you can read all the specs and the options, that's where you can look at over 100 pictures top to bottom. And it's also where you'll find the price, not only on this one, but we do have a few hundred collector cars all for sale at volocars.com. If you enjoy watching the videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new videos are posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. A 69 SS 396 Camaro. Underneath is about amongst the best I've seen. Everything was dropped out of the bottom of the car, the subframe, the rear end, all of it was out. The floors looked to me like they were just virgin, clean, original metal. They were prepped and they were painted semi-gloss, a little bit closer to the glossy side. They're beautiful, clean floors. And then everything was rebuilt and replaced. The entire front end was all rebuilt. All the steering components, shocks, springs, ball joints, all of that looks fresh. The metal components like the subframe, A-arms, they're smooth, clean metal. They're not all pitted. They're painted real nicely. So the front end's completely rebuilt. You look up at the motor, it's real nice and clean. It has high performance cast right on the side of the block. We've checked the casting codes and everything lines up on the block. It has a turbo 400 automatic transmission. The tag is still riveted to the side of it, dated 1969. It has the original 12-bolt rear end. The dates match the build date of the car, so I'm sure it's the original one to the car. The rear suspension's all new. The springs, the shackles, the bushings, the bolts, has spiral shocks in the back. I'm not sure if they are in front or not, but spirals are what they would have had in 69. The exhaust, that was an option. It's called chambered exhaust. Pretty much doesn't have mufflers, has crimped pipe. It has crimped pipe going back, and then it has the two transverse pipes, meaning they go sideways. That's crimped, and then it goes out to the factory tailpipes. The brakes system looks all new. You know, the front calipers on the disc brakes, all that looks new. The brake lines, the assembly for the e-brake looks new. The fuel system looks new. The tank, the straps, the lines. So yeah, underneath this car is really impressive. The body appears to be exceptional. I was just in the trunk looking up at the quarters. I believe they're originals, no cuts or splices. And all the gaps are spot on, laser beam straight. The hood sits square and flush. No issues. I did not see any issues. There's no shrinkage, no cracking, no bubbling, no pimples that I've seen anywhere. Like, this is glass. I'm looking at the reflection of our light bulbs, and they're absolutely straight. There's no wave to them at all. And it fits square and flush. This is perfect, clean, smooth, all real nice. So it has the exterior trim package, which would be the chrome louvers, chrome trim, but actually that would include the wheel well trim too, which this one does not have. The door handles look new. This side fits just as nice, it's just as smooth. New mirrors, new emblems, all the stainless trim. Shiny and straight. On a good car, a lot of times I'll roll up the windows because I just know it's going to fit really well. And as I rolled the windows up, it was just like a knife through butter. They rolled so easy. All indicators of just a nice car. I call them a sweetheart when they're just real nice like that. The hockey stick stripe is put on properly. Everything up here looks real nice. There's a little scratch or two in the bumper, but it looks real nice. T3 headlamps. It does have a front spoiler. The ice cube trays look new. VIN number matching, 396, 325 horsepower. We have a good picture of the stamp on our website. You can see the broach marks. I mean, it looks really good to me. It still has the original smog equipment in place. It has reproduction spark plug wires, correct air cleaner, valve covers, the fuel filter, hose clamps. Everything in here looks proper. Reproduction spring clamp battery cables. I think the interior is original except for maybe the carpet. Don't get me wrong, it's not worn, but it has just enough patina where it's not new. It doesn't look like reproduction. It looks like the original. This is painted beautifully. The jambs are beautiful. Clean metal in here. Nice rubber mat. Fits real nice. Real neat application of the spatter paint. The trunk latch looks new. The decal, the weather strip is new. The seat divider is new. Door opens so easy. The jambs are beautiful. The weather strips are replaced. So all the door panels, seats, all that's in very nice shape. The whole dash area is real nice. Original AM radio. Nothing's cut, broken. Steering wheel's nice. Console's real nice. So up here, it's got power steering, got a power brake system, wiper motor, firewall is detailed up. Everything looks real nice. Wiring, horns, has hood insulation, heater core is in the right place for a big block. All looks real good in here. Headliner's real nice. Got all the seat belts, the original seat belts. Fire it up for you. I didn't even know it had the fold-down rear seat until I was backing it in here, and I seen the little lever, so it's kind of a cool option. Looks like it says 64,000 miles, almost 65,000. Dash lights up the way it should. I opened the ashtray knowing that it would have the cigarette lighter that matches the other knobs. I just knew it would because this is one of them sweetheart cars. A lot of times you open up the ashtray, there's nothing there. Inside the glove box is clean. The vents look nice. Radio works. Reproduction tires, wide oval Goodyears. The wheels are in excellent shape. They did put 15-inch wheels on here. Motor's quiet. Alternator looks new. Door shuts real nice even with the windows up. The chambered pipe sounds like firecrackers. So this is a bit of a rarity. It's an uncut, clean, honest 69 Camaro SS 396. Rare to find one without the rear spoiler. The second I seen that, I thought to myself, I bet you this is an original, honest car. Anyway, that's my impression. You can go to volocars.com and there you will find plenty of ways to contact the salesman. They will answer any specific questions or concerns you have about the car. They can get you financed. They can get it shipped anywhere in the world. Go to volocars.com. If you enjoy watching our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be notified as the new ones are posted. Thanks for watching.